Do you use CapCut to edit your videos? Are you tired of poor quality content after you export? Well, follow this strategy to improve the quality of your future videos. First, drag the clip you want to use into your timeline. Then, copy and paste the exact clip. Select the copied clip and go over to Adjustments. Click Curves. Now you need to make each graph the opposite. Top left to bottom right, like this. And next, go over to Effects, then the Lens section. Find the blur effect and drag it over the top of the copied clip. Then create a compound clip exactly like I have just done. Now go over to Blend and choose Linear Burn. Change the opacity to suit what works for your video. And finally, go to the Filters section and add Clear 2.